Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. So this video will kick off Vlogmas. We are going to be setting up my months and my planners, and in this video we're pretty much going to go over everything that y'all are going to see throughout the month as I share content. So very excited to do Vlogmas this year, and I have a lot planned which I need to get down on paper. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in because we're going to be planning in 2 planners because we always plan in 2 planners. So if you haven't already seen my most recent planner setup or plan with me, I did it in my Erin Condren Focus Academic Planner. And so I set up the monthly calendar, but on the tactical end, I need to put in, fill this out. And then of course, as I share in all of my videos, all of my monthly plans always come in here first before they go into the weekly and all the other planners. And so I don't think I've ever really shown that on my channel because I just generally put it in, and generally like I get the plans 3 months in advance and then just fill this out. So we're going to be filling in blank spaces. So as we know, we have a Vlogmas this month, of course. And really, I just need to finalize the schedule of what I'm sharing and when. And so we're just going to start off with that. Our decor is up, and I do plan on sharing that either tomorrow or the next day. So I like things to be very time sensitive when it comes to my like videos. So I don't know how people do it, but like my huge slimmer right now, and maybe y'all can just give me insights to what y'all want to see. So this is going up on December 1st, of course, kicking off Vlogmas, and my birthday's on the 30th. Black Friday was on Friday, and so I want to share everything in chronological order. So I want to share what I got on Black Friday with you guys for my birthday. But really, I also wanted to start both of that before Vlogmas. So after the intro, where the conflict is that I want to do, like I've been thinking about like filming stuff for my birthday and sharing that. And then a Black Friday haul, but then that's literally like a week later and it happened before. And this is how my brain works. So that's where I'm kind of like at when it comes to planning. So I don't know which one I want to do, but that's where I'm trying to just figure out the best. And it's really, this has happened every single year since I've done Vlogmas, because of course my birthday doesn't change and neither does Black Friday. So I've always just kind of, I think I switched it up each year, and I just don't know how I want to do it this year, but that's where we're currently at. So, but yeah, we'll see that. I also want to share what I got for my birthday, and want to share like how I'm using whatever I got for my birthday. So I don't know if I want to make that an entire video. It's always the ideas, but like executing the ideas I think is the hardest part when it comes to YouTube. And so it's fine, we'll figure it out. But we're gonna have the Vlogmas plan. We are going to be cleaning out the garage because this was a promise to my husband. I also want to organize my office closet, and I really want to get rid of things. So this month is the end of my final semester of the year, and I'll officially be halfway through my doctoral program, which is very exciting, and I very much like saying that. So we'll be on break around, so my last assignment's actually due here, which y'all will see over here. So really, I'm gonna pretty much be out of school the following days leading up to Christmas. So because I get all my Christmas presents on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I don't have to worry about like last minute stuff unless I'm helping my husband. And so I'll probably be working on all the organization stuff around here, at least like I feel like the garage. I also want to sell some handbags. However, if things do pop up, then I do want to make sure that I'm not stressing myself out. This can wait till January, and I'll still film it. It just won't be up for Vlogmas. I think I've always just put my pressure on myself to get all this up as fast as possible and try and do it all during Vlogmas. And so if not, these items will be up in January or whenever they get done, because I don't go back to class until mid-January, I believe. So yeah, but I do want to do that. I'm going to have a lot of organization, of course, because that's what this channel is primarily about. And I'm gonna have a video on all of the luxury purchases that I've made. I'm breaking it up into handbags, SLGs, shoes, and accessories. So the handbags is one video, the shoes, accessories, and what did I say? Shoes, accessories, and SLGs will be another video. And then I want to do kind of like a review. There's been a few like different requests, and I kind of want to make like a general like, here's my collection, like not just what I purchased this year, but here's like my general collection, what I have, and then kind of show y'all like the process of selling my handbags. Like, so because I have this amount here, or I notice I'm not noticing this, I'm gonna sell this, and like kind of have a dedicated video towards that. And so y'all can expect that. And then I'll also share like my favorite handbag, my most used handbags, different things like that. So that's gonna be one video. I'm gonna do some day in the life so y'all can see what class looks like, which reminds me, let me just put in coursework. And what it looks like working from home. I think I'll do like a morning routine one so y'all can just get a general view of like what my mornings look like. And then just different things like that. Things that you've seen in the previous years, and then a few new ideas because things have changed. Like I'm in a completely new role this year and a new job than I have been. I was at my previous company 3.5 years, so things have definitely changed, because I think that's when I started Vlogmas, is when I first started this job. Like that first year. So a lot has changed. There's a lot of updates, but yeah, we have all of that. And then let's see, what else do we have going on? So we're doing a holiday party on the 10th, and I'm going to not vlog that because I want to spend time with friends, but I am going to vlog the like what we're doing, do the Secret Santa, because everyone liked that video last year when I shared like different random presents for coworkers and gift ideas. So what I'm getting my Secret Santa, different gift options that y'all can think of that are under a price limit, and then also like how we're setting it up. Maybe a few clips during the video or during the party, but like it's like a close friend party and I don't want to record or vlog during that, but I do want to show you all the fun parts of it. So we have that. 16th is the end of the semester, and then of course we have all of the holidays. So I'm probably gonna do a half day this Friday. We celebrate with my parents Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day we're going over to our friend's house, and then I'm off the day after Christmas. This is probably when I'll film the what I got for Christmas video for you guys and put it up. But yeah, that's the general plans here and everything I can think of right now. So really want to do some organization, really want to do some like general reviews of all the things that I purchased this year, because I purchased a lot of stuff this year and really like talking to you guys about it, because I think I mentioned it in other videos, but I am the only person I know that plans, and I'm also the only person who likes designer stuff. So this is one reason why I love this platform, is because I can talk to people about it, and it's people who have the same like interests. So that's my favorite part of vlogging. But yeah, we are going to use this washi strip from the planner spot in the December kit. And I think last month, I just really like that setup. I did projects next month, this month to do. So we're just going to put this here. I'm also very excited to just have a break from school because, guys, I'm burned out. I shared that on my academic Instagram and y'all came with like some of the best and sweetest advice. But like, I'm burned out. I need a break. I need to not look at a discussion board for a good amount of time for my own sanity. But what's exciting is starting in the new year, that's my last year of coursework, and then I go into comprehensive exams on my dissertation, which is also kind of frightening. So I feel like I'm gonna miss this as well. But yeah, let's put in projects and exams. So I like having this in here because I can like write out notes in addition to like having my academic planner, right? Because this is an academic planner, so they have the projects and exam section, but this is actually my academic plans. But I don't know, it's always fun to like write things out, I feel like, especially if you're a planner. So let's see what's due in December. Okay, so we have all that. I believe. Let's see. We have it this month and it's due, but I put all of these here, which is fine. I think I'll just do let's see this. Let's see personal and budget, because it's the end of the year and I need to do like tax prep and stuff for blogging, but also I plan on paying off a few more bills this month, so, or I should say a few more debts. So we'll use that. And then I'll just leave this blank. So that's the setup, and I can't remember exactly which one I'm paying off. And then I'll fill that in later when I can think of it. But yeah, that's the setup. So we're good here. And then we have the monthly setup. So those are good for the month. That's generally what I come in and do. And yeah, other than that, that is the setups and a little overview of what to expect this month for content for Vlogmas. I will, during Vlogmas, actually set up my planners for 2020. What year are we going to? 3? Sorry, it's been a long day. So all of my inserts start on the 26th, I believe. I know at least my PM does. I have to double check, but yeah, we'll do the setup probably during Vlogmas, probably during this week as well, because I'm not going to be in my planners during Christmas. So that'll probably be how I end Vlogmas, is with those setups, but we'll see. It'll be in one of these time frames. But yeah, other than that, that is all the plans. That is going to be it for this video. I'm very excited to share all of different types of content throughout Vlogmas this year. If y'all, again, have any recommendations, anything y'all want to see, please DM me on Instagram, leave a comment, just let me know some way. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching.